How to make passionflower tea for better sleep. You will need 1 tablespoon of dried or fresh passionflower, 1 cup of hot water, and some honey. Pour water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Then, pour the hot water over the passionflower and let steep for about 10 minutes or longer for a stronger tea. Passionflower is an important flower for maintaining body balance and improving the outlook on life. It has many uses not just in traditional healing, but also in modern medicinal practices. Once done, remove or strain the flowers and add honey or a sweetener to taste. Take a cup of this tea an hour before bedtime every night for 7 days for better sleep. Find hundreds of more herbal remedies in our book. See the link in the video description.